Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we'll be discussing about a Python program whose statement is check if a key is present in every segment of size k in an array. To explain it in a clear way, we'll be dividing an array into segments of size k and we'll be checking whether the key is present in each segment or not. For example, we'll take the list as 3, 5, 2, 4 up to so on 3, and the key we are going to find is x, that is 3, and the segment size is k, which is 3. So we'll be dividing the total list into three sub lists like 352, 493, 173 and 1123 as here, and the key we must find is 3. So 3 is in the first segment, also in the second, also in the third, and also in the fourth. So we'll be printing yes. If 3 is not there in at least one of the segments, we'll be printing no. These are the two other random test cases which we'll be testing after writing the code. So we'll start the coding solution for this problem. First we'll take the list as a numbers variable. I'll just copy paste the list given in the test case 1. So next we'll be taking the input of the number we want to find. Number is equals to, using the input function, enter the number. By default, input gives a string in return, so we'll be converting it into integer using the int function. Similarly, we'll find the segment size with the variable named as segment size is equals to int of input of enter segment size. Next we'll be dividing sorry, the spelling must be numbers. Next we'll be dividing the numbers list with into segments with the given segment size. So we'll append the segments into the final array, which will be named as final numbers, that is initialized with an empty list. Perfect. So for I in range, I want to show you the syntax of range function. Just a second. So in range we have three parameters: start, stop, and step. I'll explain you this with an example. Here we have an example. X is equals to range of 3 is the start number, 20 is the ending number, that is stop number, and 2 is the step number. That is 3 will be printed and 2 will be added to it, 5 will be printed, and again 2 will be added to it, then 7. Again we'll add 2, 9, 11, 13 and up to so on 20, that is less than 20. So we're getting like this. And also, for example, if we take difference as 5, we must get 3, 8 and so on. 3, 8, 13, 18 with each difference 5. So we need this is the method we'll be using to split the list, starting with the numbers 0, index 0, to the segment, length of the numbers list with the step value as segment size. Perfect. Then we'll be appending those into the final numbers. We'll take x is equals to I for clear understanding, and then we'll be appending all those segments into the final numbers, that is final numbers dot append. We'll be appending the numbers using indexing of x to x plus the segment size. Perfect. So just for once we'll check the final numbers list. So we'll enter the number we'll be finding, that is the key, as 3, and the segment size also as 3. The list is perfectly subdivided into list with 3 size: 352, 493, 352, 493, 173 and 11, 12, 3. Perfect. So next we'll be finding whether the number is in the list of segments or not. So for segment in final numbers, if the key, that is the number here, if number not in the segment, we'll make a change like for something like z is equals to 0, and we'll initialize z value as 1 here. So if the number is not in any segment, z will be replaced as by 1 as 0. So we'll write the condition like if z is equals to 0, we'll be printing no. Since z will be only 0 when the number is not in segment, else that is if the number is in all segments, we'll be printing yes. So now we'll run the cell and we'll give the number we want to find as 3 and the segment size as 3, and we got yes in return. It's working perfectly. Now we'll go with the second test case and copy the list. Sorry. Here the key value is 23 and the segment size is 5, so we'll run the cell. The key value is 23, segment size is 5. Yeah, perfectly divided first 5 numbers as 21 to 34. Yeah, good. And then 54 to 45, and then 21, 23, 25, and the key 23 is present in all the segments, so we got a yes in return. Perfect. Now we'll go with the last test case, 5, 8, 7, 12, 14, 3, 9. Here the key is 8 and the segment size is 2. We'll be running the cell and entering the number as key and size as 2. So we got a no. Why? Because the number 8 is only in the first segment but not in the second, third and fourth, that is the remaining segments. So hope you have understood the problem. Good luck.